Hello everyone, this is an ESP32 based web control robot car built using an L290 motor driver and an ultrasonic sensor. The special features of this robot car is that it supports both manual mode and automatic mode. The automatic modes include optical load-in mode and follow mode. In one of my previous videos, I showed how to build an ESP32 based web control car with manual mode and optical avoidance mode. The good news is that you can easily add this new follow mode to that same car. You don't need to change the hardware. Just build the car the same way as before and upload the updated code. The full code is available in the web post link in the video description, along with complete step-by-step details. With this build, you can control the car directly from your web browser. No special app is required. You can use either your mobile phone or PC. Simply turn on Wi-Fi, connect the ESP32 car network, enter the password 128. Open your web browser and go to 192.168.4.1. The control interface will appear on the screen, allowing you to drive the ESP32 car easily. In manual mode, the car is controlled using push and hold button on the web interface, giving you a smooth and responsive control. From the same web interface, you can turn on automatic optical avoidance mode or follow mode. In optical avoidance mode, the car moves forward automatically. If an optical is detected in front, the car stops, move backward, turn left or right, and then continues moving forward again. In follow mode, the car follows an object placed 20 to 45 cm in front of it. If the distance is less than 12 cm, the car moves backward. If the distance is between 12 to 20 cm or greater than 45 cm, the car stops. The speed value for manual mode and automatic mode can be adjusted separately in the code, giving you full control over how the robot behaves. Before we move forward with the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and hit the like button. Now let's take a look at how to upload the new code to the ESP32 and get everything working. Download the Arduino code from the website. It will be provided as a zip file. Extract the zip file and open the code using the Arduino IDE. In this project, analog write is not directly supported on ESP32. The LED setup is used for PW control. However, this method does not work properly starting for the ESP32 board core version 3.0. Therefore, you can need to install an ESP32 board core version 2.x. Install ESP32 board core version 2.0.14. Next, connect your ESP32 board to the PC using a USB cable. In the Arduino IDE, select ESP32 demo module as the board and choose the correct COM port. Then upload the code. If the board does not automatically enter upload mode during compilation, press and hold the boot button until the upload starts. Once the code is successfully uploaded, you can control the car via Wi-Fi from your mobile phone or PC. With this build, you can drive the car directly from your web browser. No special app is required. You can control the robot from your mobile phone or PC via Wi-Fi. Simply turn on Wi-Fi, connect to the ESP32 car network and enter the password 128. Then open your browser and go to 192.168.4.1. I believe this project will help you gain valuable knowledge in both robotics and IoT while having fun control your ESP32 car. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share it with others and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet again with another exciting robotics project, wish you all the best.